What's good, Slim? Hey, bruh. Shout out to all my new subscribers, Slim. Did I say that right? Subscribers. Hey, listen. We been going upper. I appreciate all y'all, bro. Everybody that's been liking, comment, subscribing. Man, y'all been going to the Instagram, following the Instagram, man. Listen, I appreciate all of y'all. We going up. We about to be at 1,000 subscribers. I know after this video, we going up to 1,000, bro. And I don't know what we gonna do. I don't know. It's happening so quick. I ain't even prepared for it, but all I'ma just keep doing really is just keep going upper with y'all, man. We gonna keep dropping videos. In this video today, bro, we gonna do a Mohawk. And it's a little different than the other fades that I've been showing y'all, but it's gonna be the same type of cut, bro. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Alright, boom. So like always, we gonna go on with our ball line. We gonna set it not too high, but like we setting it in like a drop fade type of, you know what I'm saying, type of length. So don't go up too high because you don't want it to look bald, but you want it to have that, you know, that blur effect. So we just gonna, you know, put our guideline in right here. And honestly, I don't know why I wasn't positioned in the right way. I don't know what it was about this cut, but I wasn't in the most comfortable position doing this cut. Once I go back and look at the video, especially starting out, I think it's me trying to stay out of the light. You can see I'm blocking that light, so I was trying to stay out of that area, but that's neither here nor there. So we gonna go in like we always do, setting that ball line, clean it up, and you know, that's gonna be that. I'm using my XO clipper and trimmer on this cut, and I forgot to order a new blade. I still gotta order a new blade from when I broke it when I was sharpening it, but it's still cutting good. But anyway, we going in with our lever open, no guard, lever open, and we creating our first guideline. This cut pretty simple, guys. It's not gonna take me long at all to do this. It's gonna be kind of a short video per se. So we going there with our no guard lever open, and we creating that area like we would do any other fade. Remember to always keep that comb in your left hand so you can comb while you cutting. And right now I'm throwing on that 1.5 guard, I believe. I was trying to get it to focus in the camera, but yeah, there you go. That's a 1.5 guard. We going in open, and we just gonna debulk. We're gonna try not to cut into the top too much, but you want to comb down and scoop out that bulk area that's leading into the top. And that's how you gonna make it like look like it's blending into it a little bit. But don't dig up into it too much, because you don't want it to look like it's sitting on top of the fade, if that makes sense. So we using that 1.5 open. We gonna debulk just like we would do any other fade. Just scoop out at the top towards like the Mohawk area. And when I was looking back, I didn't do a real good job of oh yes I did. Okay, yeah, so you see how I had to take some of that hair away to make sure I created a little guideline in the back of the fade. But you don't want the back to be as wide as the sides, if that makes sense. So you see how like that area, I'm only doing a small area towards the back, because I wanted to like he liked the back to go in like it's triangular, like skinny. So that's why I do the back like that. But if you were doing a burst fade, you would do it the same way. You just wouldn't you would just like keep it closer to the ear, if that makes sense. That ball line would be closer to the ear. But yeah, we scooping out with the 1.5. We combing down and we cut. And make sure you comb down too, because like you gotta put the hair in the right place, like we always say. Comb down, scoop out. I believe next we're gonna go ahead, go with that 1 guard from open to close. And remember, like I told y'all on the last video, my cuts every 30 minutes. So I tried to record this in the 30-minute session. So I think I only did one side, and then I showed you guys the finishing product. But I'm basically just making this video to show you how I do the Mohawk type of fade. Now we going there with the one guard open, and we just scooping out like we do any other fade. We just blending it into the top area and combing it down so we can see where the hair is gonna lay. 1.5 guard open to close. I'm explaining these same steps, so I thought, wow, you gonna memorize it too. You scooping out into the top area, just not going up as high as you did with the 1.5 guard. And I could have started this out with a 2 guard just to be on the safe side. Actually, yeah, if this your first time doing a Mohawk, start out with that 2 guard, so it'll give you less, it'll give you more margin of error. So in case you make a mistake, you can go back with the 1.5 and just clean it up. And y'all know how I feel about the top of the beard. You gotta fade it in. Do not leave that beard straight across like that. It make you either look like you cut it yourself, or you went and got a free haircut from somebody. We going there with the 1.5 guard close, and we combing down. That 1.5 guard, that 1 guard close is just gonna lighten up that bottom line a little bit more. And right now I'm just scooping up into the fade. Into the bulk area, just to try to scoop some of that hair out the way, because I'm gonna show you how you're gonna like make that side area like stand up a little bit, and that's gonna make the cut look a little more neat. But right now we just going in with that 1 guard, and we just detailing any dark spots I see that I might can take away. I'm just taking it away with that 1 guard. Now we going against the 1 guard, with the 1 guard open. And as always, guys, we do our voiceover straight through one take. We don't go back and edit the words if we fumble. Man, we going straight through. Everything is authentic. All right. So now we going in with our 0 guard open. I'm swapping those guards out right now, and it's that simple. We 5 minutes into the cut. Maybe, oh no, we a little more than 5 minutes. I'm sorry. We a few minutes into the cut. We 7 minutes, about to be 8 minutes into the cut, guys. So I try to do like 15 minutes or 10 minutes per side per se. But this a 30-minute cut, so on the other side I moved a lot quicker than I did on this side. I was still trying to make sure I moved slow enough so you guys can at least, kind of see what I'm doing. But now we going in with our 0 guard open to close, guys, and that's gonna lighten up that line a little bit more for us. All these cuts are simple. You literally doing the same thing over and over, just in different areas and different sections. Don't be discouraged from cutting hair, guys. We going in with that no guard lever open to clean up that bottom line as much as we can. And as you can see, that fade area is blending in now. And we just gonna once we finish this step, we gonna kind of like comb the hair out, and we gonna just like box it out a little bit, clean up the loose hairs on it to make it like no diddy stand up. Guys, as we always say, if you made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Come join the college, come join the gang, man. We going up. Don't matter the age range, age group. Join the gang. No matter how long you've been cutting, you might know something that I don't know, and you can drop it in the comments and help me out, because I'm 2 years in. I've been cutting for 2 years, guys. So we all growing. I don't know everything about barbering. I just know what I know. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, comment, join the gang. Alright, so guys, we just finished going in with that no guard lever open, and we just cleaning up that bottom line. As you can see, man, we basically done. Now it's all about detailing it and doing the small things that's gonna bring the fade out, like I'm about to show you guys next. If you watch any of my other videos, you can see this is pretty much the same steps we always do. Right, so now we gonna comb it out some, and we just gonna kind of detail it to make it look, you know, you'll see. Don't forget this part when you're doing like mohawks and stuff, because most of the time they want the sides to stand up, and then you can sponge the middle. And this makes so once they comb their hair out, it's not going to be all like uneven on the sides. But it's that simple to do a mohawk. It shouldn't take you an hour to do this cut, guys. Remember, we aiming for 30 minutes a cut. You go 30 minutes a cut, you can charge pretty much what you want and still make a decent amount. All we doing now is detailing some of those dark areas out. And guys, this the finished product. This is what you get once you finish. Once I threw that shape up and the enhancements, we went crazy. Guys, make sure you follow these steps and you good to go. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to the channel. We outie.